Hello friends, did you know that there is a smart way of copy pasting the data from one spreadsheet to another spreadsheet? For example, I want to copy the highlighted ones and paste it to the next sheet. Normally what we do is we copy and paste one by one, right? But that is time consuming. We can do this at a time so that our time can be saved. First we need to select the highlighted cell, press Ctrl C. Go to the next highlighted cell, Ctrl C. This way we can copy all the highlighted cell from one sheet by copying it, and then go to the next sheet where we want to paste. Now you can see a clipboard. From the clipboard we need to select paste all. Here you can see that everything has been pasted, the highlighted ones. So this way we can save our time by copy pasting altogether. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.